Top of the morning, ladies and gentlemen. I hope everybody is getting to finish their year off with a big bang, and I'm gonna bring you guys one banger right before the year ends. Are you guys ready? Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, today I want to talk about the cheapest miner you guys can get your hands on. Now, I know I showed you guys a lot of miners that were 9,000, 8,000, 6,000, 3,000, with ones all the way going to like 80 grand. And I know, like, for most people that's out of your reach, you can't afford it, but you want to get your hands on crypto mining in some way, shape, or form, so that way you can get your feet in the water, see what it's like, and see if it's for you. Now, if you guys are looking for a cheap way to get in, this just might be the thing for you. So let's get into it. Alrighty, guys, we have BlockCreate. This is a new crypto miner that's out that is running for a nice cheap price. You buy the block right here. Here's the block. This is what you would buy. You'd buy the block. This is a physical block for $249 that gets shipped to your house between March and April, which is absolutely terrible if you ask me. The thing is, though, this physical block is just a nightlight. That's all that it is. It's a nightlight that you plug in, and it comes with a little activation code that lets you access your wallet. That is the only thing. The moment you guys buy this miner, like you go on here, you go through this process and start buying this miner, once it's purchased, it's a digital miner. So it starts mining for you immediately, every single day. Now, just because you can't touch it till March, that might just be a good thing, right? I mean, a lot of us, we just spend our money if we had access to it. So if you're gonna make money every day off this miner until March, we're talking how many days? That's like 95 days, right? Now, a buddy of mine just got this miner in. I ordered mine. I don't have mine yet. I probably won't have mine until late February, I guess. But he just got his in, and when he activated his, he realized that he had like 2,800 coins sitting on his wallet already. He had been getting coins every single day while he was waiting for his miner to come in the mail. He got it in the mail, he activated it and looked at it and said, holy crap, like, look at all these coins. So he had like a good chunk of his initial investment back already. If we're gonna wait this long, by the time we get our physical miner in, we'll probably have all of our money back on our investment. So how much money will this thing actually make you, since it's only $249, right? Right now, this thing is producing, and let me go ahead and show you the screenshot. This thing is producing 576 blocks every day. The project came out here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it is happening every single day, and it is getting sent in every single day. So you're getting 576 blocks a day, every single day, from the moment that you purchase your miner. So what is that anyway? Well, it looks to me like 576 blocks, and it only trades here. It trades on app.tinyman.org, but you can come right into Tinyman with your wallet. You connect your wallet, and you can sell your blocks in here. 576 blocks a day would be 2.35 Algorand, which is approximately $4 per day that we would make off of this miner that only cost $249. Now, if we come on over into the calculator, 249 divided by 4, that's going to take us 62 days to get back. Now, what did I say? It was going to be like 95 days before we get ours in the mail, right? So you guys will already be in profit, provided everything works out. This is not financial advice. You know, this could be a risky project, but it's a game, actually. It's a game is coming out of this project, and the game is releasing in Q1 of next year. So this could be a really lucrative play. The game comes out, the price of these blocks could go up substantially before you have access to touch the blocks. So you won't even be able to sell them while they're going up in value every single day until you get your miner in the mail, and by that time the price might be a lot higher. This $4 a day may actually be $8, $12, $16, $20 a day. So this is kind of like a future play. And the fact that the project hasn't even really released, like the game has not actually released. And let me reiterate, you don't have to play the game. This game over here, you guys don't have to be a part of the game. If the game is not your thing, then this is just a plug and play miner. You know, you plug this bad boy in, you've got a night light that changes colors, you know, you punch in your key, you access your wallet, and every day it's gonna make $4 for you, and then when the price goes up, it'll make more than that for you. Some of you guys, I know some crazy people out there, some of you guys might come in here and say, well man, if each one's gonna make me 576 blocks a day, why don't I buy 8 of them, right? Why don't I buy $2,000 worth? Because, you know, to some people $2,000 is just play money. You know, I've thrown $2,000 in games before. So if you got 8 blocks, you know, at the prices that you're getting, 576 times 8 per day, 46 times 30 days in a month, you're getting 138,000 blocks a month if you made that investment. Dare I even say what that would be? $1,100, right? So see, check this out right now. So if you drop 2,000, essentially you would get the first 1,100 back in the first month. 2 months in your profit if you spent $2,000 at these prices. If you actually redeemed your tokens, switched it to Algorand, switched it to US dollar, and cashed out your money, 2 months, and you're in profit, and then you've got 8 blocks making you this much money every single month from there on out. That's the power of compounding. That's some real stuff right there, guys. That looks freaking cool, man. So if you guys are into this, check this website out, blockcreate.io. The cheapest miner you can get your hands on, $249 right now, yielding a 62-day ROI. You probably won't get it in the mail for several months, but the moment that you buy it, you should start generating tokens that day and every day after that. And then when you actually get it in the mail, you can come on here with your block card and access your wallet, and at that point you guys can sell your tokens, get your entire initial investment back, and you still have your miners. So if that's for you guys, you guys can check that out. I've got one on the way, and a buddy of mine has one, and he loves his. He uses his as a nightlight in his bedroom, so it's pretty cool. But hey, I hope you guys got some value out of this video. Come check this out. Smack a like on the video and subscribe to the channel, and I'm gonna bring you a lot more awesome stuff just like this.